Hi, I'm Al with Angus MacKirk. This is a training video on our sluices. So this one here is the Boss. It is our largest abyss system, and the abyss means it actually has deep catch grooves all the way through on the bottom. So if we take a closer look at that, when your dirt comes from the top, comes down over these rifts, you are running about roughly a finger's depth of water above, or base. You can see is a slight bit of a line on the sluices. That's there. The whitish color in the sluices on the bottom, that is normal. That is from manufacturing, from the heat. So they are not perfectly gray like the sides up in here are. That's just from the heat from manufacturing. Now the Boss is our biggest abyss one. We then have the Foreman, the Scout, and the Recons. They are all the same system, the Scout being the smallest, then Recon, Foreman, and up. A lot of the stores carry our Bosses and Foremans in stock, and a pile of the Recons, because the Recon and the Scout are very easily backpacked. When a sluice is in the water, it is at a 7-degree maximum pitch. On the Boss, you can load this one up quite quickly, and again, it is all due to water. The amount of water that's going over top of the sluice, that is what determines, and the speed of that water determines how fast you process. So these ones will do a larger amount, and same as the Foreman. Now, we'll move over to our next one here, which is the Alaskan Flare. The Alaskan Flare is for a low volume of water, and what happens is the top piece here, it takes the water and funnels it to pick up the speed for the sluice to work. Again, it's our drop riffle system. People love these ones as well out there. Again, everything that we have runs anywhere from a 5 to 7 degree pitch. If you are after a lot of micro golds, and you know you have micro golds in the area that you're after, a little shallower pitch. You would want to be 5-6 degrees, but no more than 7. Okay, so just about flat down to a slight drip. All sluices are that way, even high bankers, the works. All the bases are running at 7 degrees. As it runs down, creates a back eddy, just like in nature. As soon as gold and all your minerals hit a stall like that, they drop. So the rifts fill up. The nice part about our units, again, is once you've got what you want in the sluice, you put it on the edge of the bucket, splash your water on, it washes it down. Now, the nice feature about the Alaskan Flare is it's actually 2 sluices in one. You have the base of the Alaskan and the head. You take off the head, and it turns into this one, which is the Expedition. The Expedition, again, all of them run on a 7 degree pitch. Put your rock on the rocks here, make sure your water has a nice straight flow in, and you can take rocks and pile out to the sides and everything to direct it so that it is coming in and picks up the speed to come across the top. A good water flow is always necessary for any sluice on the market. Again, the drop riffles on this create the back eddy and catches all your golds. And you can see other videos on YouTube where people have done, and you'll see all the comparisons out there, and these actually working in the streams. So that is the base of these ones, and we'll do more other videos for you as well on the high bankers and stream units, high bank stream units, the whole works, as well as the finishing tables. But these ones here are the main ones that are on right now, is the Expedition, Alaskan, the Boss, Foreman, Recon,